Imagine sailing over the deepest ocean, but your sonar says the bottom is only a few hundred meters down. During World War II, this ghost floor confused the Navy, looking exactly like solid ground. But it wasn't land. It was actually millions of sea creatures packed so tightly they reflected sound waves. This is the deep scattering layer, home to the largest migration on Earth. Every night, these creatures rise to feed, and by day, they vanish back into the depths. Hit subscribe if you love exploring the deep sea.